Mob. What it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy. Two eyes, man. Back in the Mob Museum, finna drop off some 5 visuals. Bro, I'm finna drop off something crazy. Before I do though, let me give a major shout out and salute all my OGs, youngest, day ones, and new members alike, man. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate the support along our journey. And we only getting bigger and better, broski. You know, hold on, let me make sure I'm on point. Yeah, I'm good, but they came, they are here. Off-white 5s, bro. Y'all already know what's in the box, man. Y'all seen me hit live. Oh, bro, I've been on eggshells from the time it said ship to them getting here. Like, as soon as the UPS man knocked on the door, he was knock out. On the third knock, I was opening the door. Like, he almost fell in the. Nah, I'm exaggerating, bro. I'm tripping. But nah, look, for real though, cause I couldn't rest until they got on deck, man. So let's go ahead and get up in here. Oh, bro, I cannot wait to see this shoe, man. I'm glad I finally hit, and bro, hey, I got more heat on the way, so make sure y'all subscribe, notified, bro, for real. We're really close to 16K, bro, so let's go ahead and bust it open, man. And I appreciate if you would consider becoming a member. We got membership access, man. Y'all go ahead and join up for your boy. But, we got the box open. Y'all check it out, B. Check it out, B. That's what we got. Put this knife away, man. Yo, I actually wanted to do this video live. I thought about doing this unboxing live. I probably should have. I might go ahead and premiere this so we can still chop it up in the comment box together. But check out the top of the box. It was probably glared out, huh? My bad, y'all. Yeah, check out the top of the box. Let's peep the specifics, you know what I'm saying? Let's peep out the specifics. Adjoint 5 Retro SP, style code CT8480001. Size is a US 10, my size, you dig? Price point of the $225. Adjoint. Oh man, colorway black, fire red, muslin. I don't know what that is, but you know what I'm saying. Hey, they got all the specifics on that. Here go this side of the box. Check it out, broski. Hey, that side got the transparent windows, little holes you can look in there and see what's going on a little bit. You almost see what's going on. And I'm gonna let y'all get first dibs on the visuals, broski. Woo! Let y'all get first dibs on how they coming in there, man. This is my very first off-white, bro. So y'all know I'm gonna hang on to it for a little while. Like, in some point in time, I'm pretty sure they're gonna disappear and get sold, but for right now, like, bro, I gotta hang on to it a little. But it's my first off-white. Like, I seriously may hold on to this one until I get another pair. And wow. Okay. Here go the joint that ain't got the lace bag on it. Got the pull tab with a zip tie on it. Bruh, I wanna say this is what a shoe would look like inside out, but nah, like, well, in my mind, well, no, cause it's all, you know what I'm saying, you got all this squishy and cushy on the inside of other shoes. Well, man, hold on, let me get another 5, bro. Like, hold on. Well, yeah. Trying to see what the inside of this joint look like. Well, yeah, bro. It's almost like it's almost like the sneakers turned inside out, bro. That's kind of like the vibe that I'm getting. Once you get past the cushion and all that. Yeah. It's kind of like an Air Jordan 5 turned inside out. With the little windows. Wow, the little circles are like super light. The tongue hole already, it's already poked out. Let me see if both tongues poked out. Cause I seen the Virgil video, he poked one of the holes out himself. Nah, this one not poked out, but that one intact. We'll go with the lace bag and all that in a sec, but yeah, made in China. Oh God, bro, it got that Corona on it, cuz. No, I'm playing. Hey, bro, y'all do know that Corona might be old hoaxy pokesy. Y'all make sure y'all tune in to Mob Street Live. We're gonna talk about that a little bit. But yeah, man, got a hole on the tongue, zip tie, lace toggle. Look like it's oxidized a little bit. Check out this lace toggle. It's kind of oxidized slightly, bro. Focus on the shoe, not me. You want to focus on me. But yeah, that lace toggle, the lace toggle, slightly oxidized. They got a zip tie. Let y'all peep that. Is it upside down? Yeah, nah, it was the right way. They got a zip tie right there. These joints pretty cool, bro. Peep this out. So this is my favorite part of the shoe, man. That smoke and that yellow, that smoke and that lemonade down there, man. You can't beat that smoke and that lemonade. Pre-oxidized outsole, you ain't gotta worry about it turning yellow on you. Oh man, let's get a up close 360 of this one. All the way around. Off-white for Nike, Jordan 5. Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1990. Yep, still got all that literature on the inside with Nike out on the back. And yeah, bro, it's real. It really is stripped down. With the foam exposed along the edges. Peep how the foam exposed. All that exposed. That's crazy. Seams unfinished. Of course it's stitched, but like the materials are unfinished at the edges, so it looked like it might end up fraying over time. That's pretty dope, bro. Like, I don't know, man. I'm gonna end up having to hold these for a minute. I know I'm gonna hold these for a hot grip. And the toggle say Nike Air. I ain't even really peeped that like too tough. Hold on, let me get in on that. Hide my face again. The toggle say Nike Air on it, bro. Can y'all see that? Hope so. But yeah, let's check out the other one. The paper. Hold on. For anybody who care about the paper, this is what the paper look like. It just say Off-White 2020. With a little Off logo with some circles going around it. Pretty dope. Now, getting to the other joint with the extra laces. Ooh, hold on, bro. These shoelace. Yeah, y'all can see that, man. God, bro, I need to find Virgil. Give him a white Sharpie. Tell him put 5 on my 5s. I want Virgil to put 5 on my 5s, man. This is crazy. Look, this is my first big fish in a long time. I think the last big fish I got was the Big Bang foam posits. And the last one before that might have been the sub-tempos. Like, I done came across some heat in my little YouTube career, but I ain't this last big fish I caught in the hot grill. Back of the tongue say Air Jordan 2. 3M on the tongue, of course. Yeah, these right, bro. 23 on that back quarter panel, man. Oh. You got a smoked out eyelets too. So dope, so dope, so dope, so dope, man. Thank y'all for clicking on this video. Make sure you share this video, please, man, and hit that like button. It'll help the channel a lot while I'm on the grind trying to knock out this 16K and beyond. We ain't taking no breaks, no pit stops, no time soon, man. We're trying to hit 20K. The goal is 20K before the end of the year, but yeah, man. Let's go ahead and knock out this 16 first. Keep it pushing. Please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like my OG Ratchet said, man. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, keep that air bubble, boy. Man, these joints hard, cuz. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bro. 'Cause I got more heat on the way. You know what I'm saying? I got 2 more on the way that I done bought. And we got March right around the corner. And I got my eyes on them UNCs, so yeah, broski. Unfortunately, we ain't doing no unfoots or none of that. Inside, you got the black insole with red Nike out on there. That's tough. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna pull them out on you, but maybe you can see, maybe not. Black insole, red Nike out, that's hard. But yeah, man, I'm going ahead and get out of here, broski. And get ready to go live on MSL, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And again, leave a thumbs up for your boy. I got him with the other one right here. I'm gonna be holding on to him for a while. Hell yeah, I gotta this is my only pair of all whites. I gotta hold on to him for a while. You see what I'm saying? At least till I get another pair, and then I'm gonna make me some monies. But until then, they're gonna be sitting in here in the Mob Museum, looking pretty, collecting dust. Yeah, man. That's how I'm rolling with it. Mob, man. One more time, salute out all my OGs, youngest, day ones, new members alike, man. Let me know what price point would you selling for. You know what I'm saying? I'ma hold on to him for as long as possible. I'm trying to shoot about 2 bands out of it. You know what I'm saying? But let me know what price point you are selling for, man. You know what I mean? And is this the sneaker of the year so far? The hype beast sneaker of the year, of course. You know what I'm saying? We were talking about hype and hype beast shoes. Come on, man. Off-whites. Is this the hype beast sneaker of the year so far? Y'all let me know. Sound off in the comment box and we gone, bro. Mob.